Is your Acura MDX alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the hood liftgate switch, the key fob battery, and the car's main battery. First, inspect the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion, debris, or loose wiring. A faulty switch can send false signals. Next, replace the key fob battery. A weak battery can cause intermittent signals, triggering the alarm. Finally, check your car's battery voltage. Low voltage can lead to erratic alarm behavior. These are the primary areas to investigate when your MDX alarm acts up. Many issues are caused by the hood switch due to corrosion. Consider the environment you live in and how it might be impacting the corrosion on the switch. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the hood and liftgate switches. Resistance above 5 ohms indicates a fault. Try resetting the body control module by cycling the ignition key 5 times. For software glitches, use apps like Torque Pro for BCM reprogramming. Acura issued recall 24V456 for 2017-2019 MDX models due to faulty hood switches. Ensure your vehicle has had the BCM reprogrammed if applicable. If all else fails, consult a professional mechanic for further diagnostics. Consider replacing your battery with lithium-ion for longer life.